Welcome to a full hand tutorial using Paddie's intermediate kit. First, we would like to start by buffing out the nail shine. Do not be afraid to do so, it naturally comes back within 14 minutes, which means you have to be quick with the next step. After applying a layer of base coat on the entire nail plate, please use the UV lamp to cure each nail for 45 to 60 seconds. Next, please pick a dual form that is perfect or slightly larger than your nail plate. Now, apply some poly gel either into the dual form or directly onto the nail. The method I have chosen today is a little more complicated, so you can watch Paddie's tutorials on the beginner method too. After application, please remove any excess from the sides and shape the underside too. Once you have shaped the nail the way you like it, please go ahead and cure for 100 seconds. Continue doing the same for all nails, while shaping the underside as best as you can. We will shape the sides once we take the dual forms or nail tips off. As you can see, the timer in the background is not being stopped, so you get an idea of how much time this would take. However, please be aware that I have been doing poly gel for a few months now, so your actual time if you are a beginner can be a lot longer while you get used to poly gel and the tools provided. Please also note that your intermediate kit might be more complete and diverse than what I have here, as Paddie is always upgrading their kits. You can see here I am not rushing and just gently taking off any excess there might be. Please always remember slip solution is your best friend when working with poly gel. Otherwise, poly gel will stick to your brush. After curing all nails for at least 100 seconds, let's try to take the dual forms off. If you feel like the gel is not cured enough, you can leave it under the lamp for an additional 30 seconds. We will now move to the shaping part. While some nails might come out almost perfect after taking the dual forms off, some will need some extra filling. Gently file all sides of the nail until you get to the desired shape. Please be patient with this process. It can take a little bit of time, that is why salons use electric files, but those can take too much of the gel too quickly. Once that is done, we will have to buff out the new nail plate to give it perfect shape and prepare it before the French application. You can skip the French step and proceed with top coat, but since I just visited France, why not get some easy French designs? Grab your French stamper and any acrylic paint which you will apply on the silicone head of the French stamper. You will need to do this before each nail if you are a beginner to ensure an equal application of the decoration paint. Please make sure you apply enough paint onto the head before applying it onto the nail. You will then slowly push the silicone head into the nail tip. Be gentle and be prepared to push a second or third time, in case the first round did not give you the desired shape. Remember, you can also adjust the corners with a brush. I am using a paintbrush here to give my French the perfect look, before curing the paint for another 30 seconds. The final step is the finishing touches, using a top coat. You can choose any Paddie Nails top coat, but today I am using the shiny finisher included in the intermediate kit. I believe shiny pink French nails look so modern and luxurious, but that's just my opinion. Cure for 30 seconds and then apply a small amount of oil to the cuticles, for a fruity smell and a touch of luster. Massage it in and remember you can always use Paddie's portable oil pen to constantly hydrate your cuticles while on the road. You are now ready to show off your nails and enjoy them for 2 to 3 weeks. Happy relaxation!